Good morning, guys. Yeah, so today I'm gonna just spend some time, see if I can actually make that engine bay black. I don't like the red so much. I want to see what it's gonna look like black. Always spray it red if I really want to, but I think it's gonna look better black. And then yeah, I've actually have that motor on the engine stand. So plan is to clean that one up, work on it and do all of that. And then I actually made myself a little bit of a, see the poles and the chain and stuff, so I made myself a little bit of a place for the blocking tackle to work on, so I can hook it on and actually make the take the engine out, move it enough space to do the transplant, so I can actually move that red Golf forward and actually drop the engine in when I need to. So I had to make a plan because I don't have a hoist and I'm not gonna go and buy one. So yeah, so we made a plan. And then yeah, so let's just see where this takes us. Okay, so there we go. Engine bay sprayed, looks much better. So let me show you what it looks like. Now doesn't that look much better? So we've sprayed everything black. I just think it works a little bit better for the new engine swap that we're going to put in here. So like I said, I'm sitting in two minds, so we might take the White Golf's engine and put it in here, but I don't know yet. I've got a feeling I might just want to put that 1800 turbo into the White Golf, but there's much more work on that before we can get the engine in. So that engine we need to put in there then. That means we're going to have to do much more work. So yeah, so this one has its own issues that I have to sort out first before I actually put the engine in there. Then that means that engine's coming out of that one, put it in this one, so that this one is not a 1300 anymore. It's actually got a little bit more power. So yeah, we'll see. Don't know yet. But yeah, it's exciting. Engine base black, that looks a million times better in my point of view. So yeah, let's see. The red was just too red. So once the bonnet's on and all of that, you're not even going to know that it's black underneath until you open the engine, and then everything is going to be nice and black and clean. Okay, so we are going to take a couple of things off this engine, stuff that's not needed. So power steering I can take off. I've got the aircon I can take off. I'm not going to use that. And there's a couple of things I need to take off, pipe wires, so I can actually clean up the engine and then put everything back together. So there's some stuff I need to do, but a lot of stuff I need to take off. So let's start doing that. Okay, so done and dusted for today. This one, engine bay sprayed. The bonnet's actually loose. I can't really show you much, but let me show you. So that looks a little bit different. So that engine bay sprayed. That engine is mostly stripped down. I didn't record everything. I was struggling with one of these brackets, but most of it's off. As you can see, there's a lot of oil leaks, gunk, and everything that I have to sort out. So we're gonna sort out all those issues. So yeah, we're getting there. Gearbox on the ground, already took that off yesterday, and I've got a tray of all the pipes and everything in there. So yeah, making progress. So one of these days this engine will be nice and clean, and we will be putting it in that car, the white one, and that one, the red one. So yeah, exciting things happening. Very excited. It's getting there. We're making a lot of progress. Every second I have time, I come out here and I play around. So we're getting there. Good thing to have the engine stand. Makes life a little bit easier working on the engine than working on the ground. So yeah, so I can't wait to get the engine in and start getting everything figured out. But slowly but surely, we're making progress. So thank you for watching. Cheers.